Hey guys, I'm Andrea Peterson, and today we're going to talk about Garudasana, or what as most of us know about is eagle pose. It's a nice twisting pose. It's a good pose that wrings things out. I like to think of it as playing Twister with yourself. You know, like when you were like a little kid and you were trying to reach and explore and play. That's what eagle pose is. Today we're going to talk about some of the origins, some things to think about, variations and modifications and all that when you're exploring your eagle pose. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to do a little flow for you that you can practice coming in and out of that pose. So basically, the philosophy and origin of Garudasana comes from Garuda, or basically he is a mythical bird in the Hindu and Buddhist traditions. As the vehicle of the god Vishnu, Garuda is said to be the king of birds. In Tibetan traditions, the Garudas are considered a magical species. They are often described as outrageous because of their extraordinary ability to fly and fly and fly and never land. They never have to land because they never get tired, and they never get tired because they ride the wind. So this word is basically that feeling of eagle, of flowing, of just being open and free. And that's what happens from doing a twisting pose. Eagle pose helps strengthen and stretch the ankles and calves. It stretches the thighs, hips, shoulders, and upper back. A couple modifications: you can use a wall to brace yourself for support and balance. You can also put your foot at your ankle like a tripod, or you can place your foot on a block. That foot can go around your ankle, your shin, your calf, or all the way wrapped around, depending how loose your muscles and legs are. Things to think about when you're in eagle pose: breathe and release through tension. The more tension you have, the harder the pose becomes, almost like muscles tightening like quicksand. Also think about pressing down into your standing heel. When your arms are twisted in eagle pose, bring the elbows up towards your eye line and you'll really feel that stretch opening up your back. Some things to watch out for: avoid this pose if you have knee or shoulder injuries or you have low blood pressure. Some variations: you can just do eagle legs, you can just do eagle arms, or you can do eagle arms and folded elbows as you bend over towards your knees. Some of the physical benefits of eagle pose: it helps relieve asthma, it helps relieve low back pains, sciatica. It also relieves tightness between shoulder blades and across your sacrum. It strengthens the legs, and it definitely improves sense of balance. Some of the energetic benefits: it improves concentration, finding ease and feeling of freedom and release, and it cultivates confidence. So I actually love twisting poses, because who doesn't love to feel themselves wring out and release? And I love that feeling that this is like Garuda, like that flying, that bird that is able to fly and fly because it just soars. So anytime you've done a twisting pose and you really wring things out and then you come out of it, all of a sudden everything just feels free and floaty and light. And that's what you want to experience in eagle pose. So allow yourself to just breathe into it, twist, wring like you're a little washcloth, and release, and you're just going to feel so much more freedom in eagle pose.